Hi there, and welcome to the Agile Marketing Playbook. Use this step-by-step playbook and set of premium tools and templates to develop an agile marketing plan that supports your company's goals and objectives. Each playbook begins with a table of contents and a framework for quick reference to the tools and templates highlighted throughout this step-by-step guide. Our playbooks are filled with links to our practical modern marketing tools, templates, and training, which are organized stage by stage, step by step, starting with stage 1, understanding agile marketing. Here, your first step is to understand how agile marketing works, followed by defining team and roles, learning about starting small but strong, any potential obstacles that can get in your way, and leveraging tools and software. In stage 2, you're going to be organizing your tasks. And here, you're going to be learning about creating a backlog, followed by actually organizing your product and user story backlog and finding the most useful user stories or tasks. In the third stage, you're going to be planning your sprint. And here, you're going to start by running a sprint and planning and tracking what's involved with each sprint. In stage 4, it's all about agile management. The first step is all about understanding agile management. In the following steps, you're going to be organizing and visually showing the context for tasks, quickly reviewing how well your team is doing, understanding stand-ups, and ensuring your stand-ups do not miss anything. In stage 5, it's the sprint review. And here you're going to understand how sprint reviews work and ensure your review follows best practices. You're also going to understand a sprint retrospective and ensure lessons learned are leveraged. In the last stage, stage 6, you're going to be automating agile marketing. And here you're going to be learning about how to use software to manage the process end-to-end and how to leverage pre-made agile marketing projects. Remember that you can access all of these resources in a single page at the start of this guide and on its own with the Agile Marketing Framework. Succeed with agile marketing by downloading and leveraging the Agile Marketing Playbook today.